Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Binance Futures. Review my usage experience. Binance Futures Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for analyzing and understanding the Binance Futures market. It's aimed at cryptocurrency traders, particularly those interested in futures trading on Binance, providing tools and insights to help them make informed trading decisions. Key features likely include market data analysis, charting tools, and potentially some form of predictive analytics. Their website provides details on the specific functionalities. Their website provides details on their subscription models and features. They emphasize ease of use for both beginners and experienced traders, highlighting the clear presentation of data and the intuitive interface. Pricing transparency is also a key selling point, with no hidden fees mentioned on their site. The technology used appears to be based on robust market data APIs, allowing for real-time updates. Availability is global, as it accesses publicly available Binance data. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Binance Futures. Review my usage experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply signed up on their website and was able to access the dashboard immediately. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the customizable charting tools. I was able to quickly create charts visualizing different indicators, which helped me immensely in my analysis. The platform's performance was excellent. Data updates were fast and reliable, never experiencing any significant lag. I had a quick question about a specific indicator, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how user-friendly the platform is, even for someone like me who's not a coding expert. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable alert system. I set alerts for price movements and volume changes, which significantly improved my reaction time. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app. Using it on my phone was a bit cumbersome. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Binance Futures. Review my usage experience. It has significantly improved my trading analysis and provided valuable insights into the Binance Futures market. That's my overview of Binance Futures. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.